YouTube. It's your boy KJ. Welcome back to the channel, baby. Back with another banger, man. How y'all doing, man? Y'all know we be on that car shit, right? So today I got a nice little something to show y'all. You know when I see a whip that's off the chain, I got to bring it to the channel. So this is a 2020 what? 2022. And it only had like 6,000 miles on it, man. Something like that. So it's a rare gem, dude. Rare gem, nice spec. Enough of me talking, man. Let's get right into it. There she go, y'all. Look at that thing. I'm gonna go and let y'all look at the badge so you see what we working with. High country. Black badging, you feel me? Gloss black. See what side that motor is? Hell yeah. And she breathing. I don't know if these functional. These might just be add-on for the hood, but it still look nice. Y'all get a shot at front cap, man. Got chrome around that bow tie. High country with the chrome. Even got a little bronze look right in there. Got functional vents for the front. That's nice too, man. Got the tow hooks. Chrome around the tow hooks and the lights. Nasty, man. That joint looks so nasty. God, look at this, right? So we got factory 22's. Factory 22's and the thing. We got black machine 22's. And you got the Silverado. Like you got the overlay for the calipers. Actually got Silverado engraved in it. So I think that's tight too. That's different, you know what I mean? But just a little splash of yellow in there. Got my favorite accessory right there. Power running board. Y'all know how I feel about those, right? Got the chrome on the door handles. Chrome trim. Nice. Another look at them 22's. Like I said a while ago, right? Got the overlay for the calipers with the Silverado with the brand name on there. Bow tie in you. And y'all, this is for a 22 now. This joint is super clean. Smoked out tail lights. Dog embossing. Got the word Chevrolet in black. Inlay. High country on the gloss again. Just clean, man. Just super clean. Then you got like quad exhaust coming out the back. I like that. And then that step. That step so you can get in your bed. So these are like some overlay. I thought that was like a wrap or something. That's like overlays for the tail lights. Still super clean though. Super duper clean, guys. Just a real good spec. Who would think you find a 2022 with 6,000 miles on? I mean, the truck wasn't even broke in.
Sensational.
And that 6.2, y'all know how that sound. That's nasty. Let's get a load of the interior, guys. This is what I like right here. You got real wood, right? And then you got this khaki looking, like peanut butter leather on the door. And the seats are like two-tone, right? Peanut butter and black. High country and the stitcher, you feel me? Don't forget that sunroof. Can't be hiding from God, you feel me? We got two-tone leather, man. Perforated leather. So I know these seats are probably air conditioned and cooling. And I like how they laid it. I like how they laid it out as far as the seat go. Then you got the plate. Look at that. That's even fine. It's just like it's like the details, man, that stick out to me. Got the console. That's nice. I like the dash, right? Oh, this sugar sit wide up in here. We got that gray, that charcoal gray, or that gray like that's on the seats and the dash. Double bend on the door. You got one in the peanut butter and you got one in the gray, right? Nice, man. They even did that little bronze color that you saw on the front grill on the steering wheel. Nice, man. Screen, I don't know what size screen it is. It looks like it's an 8.4 lead.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man.
8.4 liter. Y'all don't laugh at your boy. That's an 8.4-inch screen, you feel me? And like I said, we got that sunroof up above us. About the regular size sunroof, not panoramic, but you know, it's still clean. And guys, check this out. You know when you see that name right there, the music system is off the chain. You don't really have to add nothing to nothing when you got that Bose in there. I'm just being honest with you. I see somebody even stepped it up on the gas and brake. They threw some overlays in there, so that's nice. Like I said, y'all, it's 6.2 liter, and you got the power running board. I like the way it retracts.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
So smooth, cuz I like that. I gotta look at this rear. The rear seats is off the chain too. Just the way it's laid out with the brown, giving you all the peanut butter and the gray. Just nice, man. And you always got that little center console that fold out right there. Y'all see it? Perforated leather, man. It probably fold up too. You almost look like it had a double den in the roof, but it's not. Like a power third window though. That's nasty, man. And again, my favorite thing, the power running board. Oh yeah, nasty. Nice little tonneau bed cover. That's probably a factory deal right there from the factory. And I don't know, it's the way they put this on. It's almost like it's a small wing on the tailgate for the air, make it more aerodynamic. Big third brake light, not the little one, you feel me? Some more of that quad exhaust. I just had to shoot my boy truck, man, because it's just a clean ass Silverado. Clean spec. Just a little bit of machine go good. With it being machine, just that little bit goes good with like the door handles and the trimming around the windows, all that there. I think it might have a little chrome on the mirrors too. But let's go look at that 6.2. There you go, guys. You're looking at the heart in this thing, nice old 6.2. And then right over here, if you follow this snorkel, we don't have that old factory filter. We got the aftermarket cold air intake, right? Corsa Performance. I don't know how many. Is it 15 to 20 more horsepower? I don't know, man. Y'all jump in the comments and let me know how many more horsepower it's running with. But look at that. So you know this was made specifically for this truck. Specifically. There you go, me all the time. Can't pronounce that when I cut this camera off. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show y'all this 6.2. I don't think it's got any chrome on the mirrors, but that front cap is off the chain aggressive. It's like one of the only trucks I know that actually got a functioning air dam on the side of that front fenders, the way it's made. I'm pretty sure this is like signals or something like that. I'm loving those chrome tow hooks. I done kind of got over chrome, but I mean, it's not too much in the vehicle, just enough that it still look good. It meshes well with, it's in different little places. Not to mention you got it on the wheels a little bit, the machining on the wheels. One more time, looking at that name, the brand.
My bad.
Oh no, you good. Y'all good. But yeah, guys, you see it, man. Like I said, when I see one nice, I got to pull up on it. And then my boy shout out to my boy for letting me come through and film the Silverado 2022, 6.2 liter. You know what I'm saying? High country, all up in there like that. So I need to go ahead and snap a picture for the thumbnail, you feel me? But yeah, man, it's your boy KJ, and I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.